Is BlockFi the crypto lending platform for you? Let's dive in. Full disclosure, I've included affiliate links in the description. BlockFi has become a leader by catering to both crypto newbies and veterans. Want to earn interest or take out a loan against your crypto? BlockFi lets you do both. They offer competitive interest rates paid monthly on a wide range of crypto, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and stablecoins like USDC. Grow your holdings passively. Need cash fast? BlockFi's crypto-backed loans let you borrow USD against your crypto without selling. Get liquidity while keeping your position. The process is simple, transparent, and boasts low rates. Security is key. BlockFi uses institutional-grade protection, including Gemini custody services, for added peace of mind. Plus, their no-fee trading platform lets you buy and sell crypto directly, making BlockFi your all-in-one crypto management solution. The user-friendly mobile app simplifies tracking interest, making trades, and managing loans. And don't forget the BlockFi Rewards credit card. Earn Bitcoin back on everyday purchases. BlockFi is designed for crypto enthusiasts who want to maximize their digital assets. Earn interest, borrow against your holdings, it's all here. Flexibility, accessibility, and robust security combine to offer financial freedom outside traditional banking. Ready to explore BlockFi? Click the links below.